Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about blanket affirmations. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You also wouldn't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me, where I bring you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say for a fact is that my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like the attention to be all on you, if you would like to get your desire as quickly as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click the very first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I offer collective coaching. Feel free to ask me any questions you may have, and you will be guided through your situation by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can literally just click the join button right next to my name. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, don't worry, I got you. You can click the Patreon link in the description box down below. It is the exact same program. Blanket affirmations, also known as umbrella affirmations, are generic affirmations that cover the entirety of your life and your manifestations. Say you want to manifest an SP, but you also want to manifest a celebrity SP, but you also want perfect grades, and you also want some extra cash on the side, and you also want your mom to be nice to you. You can use a generic affirmation like everything in my life is perfect, and what your subconscious mind will do is fill in the blanks for you. So if you are overwhelmed with how many things you want to specifically manifest, you can literally just say, I'm the woman that has it all, and your subconscious mind will make sure that your mom is nice to you, you have some extra cash on the side, you have perfect grades, you have that SP, and also you have that celebrity SP. This is very powerful for people who get overwhelmed with their specific manifestations and tend to overthink things. I tell my clients all the time, if you're overthinking a manifestation, it's easy to go general and see where that gets you. And all of my clients have gotten everything that they've wanted by using umbrella affirmations, because they have given up using their energy on manifesting this specific thing, and instead they're just assuming that absolutely every single thing in their life is perfect. And of course that will also mean that whatever it is that they are manifesting or burnt out from manifesting will come into their life, because how is that manifestation not going to come to life when you've just assumed that everything in your life is perfect? Some blanket affirmations that I absolutely adore is, isn't it amazing, which is an ask affirmation. You are asking, isn't it amazing? Your subconscious mind will fill in the blanks for you. Ask affirmations are also very powerful. If you want to know more information about that, you can check out the card up above. I talk all about it. The one that I always use is everything is happening best case scenario for me, and everything in my life is perfect, or everything in my life is easy and perfect. When I'm overwhelmed, when my garden is a mess, my house is a mess, I have a million videos to upload, I have to do this and that, and I'm worried about this thing and that thing, I just say everything in my life is perfect, and all of that fades away. It goes away. It takes care of itself, because of course it does. It has to. It is the law. So you can use one umbrella affirmation in addition to your current manifesting routine, in addition to your current affirmations, or if you are feeling particularly burnt out, I would suggest to literally F all of those affirmations away and just say the one. It really depends on my clients and my members and their situation, but when a particular story comes about, which I do see quite often, I will have them say, I have a perfect self-concept, or I am perfect, everything about me is perfect. Because in addition to manifesting your SP, you will also be having a bomb-ass self-concept. Because in some cases, clients will always get crappy treatment. In some cases, some clients will feel like they're not deserving of this SP, of this specific lifestyle, what have you. You can use that in addition to everything else that you are manifesting. Blanket affirmations are also very helpful when you are feeling very resistant towards that specific thing that you're manifesting. For example, you can manifest money all the live long day, but when it comes to this specific person, you have a lot of wound up energy, you have a lot of negative thoughts, doubts, wavering to do with that person, your story with them, your history with them. So instead of trying to punch a brick wall because you have already had all of this pent up energy towards this person and this storyline that you've shaped, you can just say, I always get what I want. I always get what I want. I always get what I want. And that will get you your SP plus every single thing that you have been manifesting, plus things that you haven't even been manifesting, but you would have loved to experience in your life. I am such a big fan of blanket affirmations. It shows you how magical life can be. It brings your specific manifestation to you, but also every single thing that you think you may want and you may think that you don't want, but you do want. Like, you might have never even heard of Qatar, but then you have an opportunity to fly there and you have the best time of your life in Qatar. So try blanket affirmations today, incorporate them into your affirmation routine. Or if you're feeling like manifesting is too much, stop doing everything for a day. Affirm as much as possible. Everything is happening best case scenario for me, and watch how everything comes to your life in a non-resistant way. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.